While good business practices and services are often a direct cause for a good reputation, it may not always prove to be sufficient. Independent variables, such as misunderstandings between a consumer or just a customer with malicious intent, exist. Due to the existence of these variables, some businesses seek aid from a reputation management system. This type of system enables a company to promote positive reviews, in turn providing with a method to improve or maintain reputation, while simultaneously allowing for time and space to resolve any customer complaints. The ideal software would permit the user to create and customize surveys to their liking, assess which areas require improvement, and track the results it generates. Advantages. The benefit therein lies in the ability to improve a business reputation. Incentives to post a positive review can be provided to the users who have left positive marks. The direct result will be an increase in positive exposure, allowing one's company to move up on the search lists of popular search engines such as Google, Yelp, Angie's List, and others. As reputation is complex and requires a great amount of time to change, the ability to positively guide one's reputation early on becomes an invaluable asset. Take into consideration that the average customer will consider his or her options regarding a product or service before coming to a conclusion. These consultations will predominantly be in the form of reviews, usually on the internet. In this instance, reputation will come into play. If there are other companies providing the same services at a similar cost, then the customer would look towards quality. Should the quality be roughly the same, then the customer will take into account reputation and credibility. It is in such an instance where bad reputation will greatly hamper business. With a reputation management system, a company can look to gain an advantage over other companies by promoting their positive reviews. This can sway customers to one business over its competitors by demonstrating to potential customers the positive reputation the business holds, ultimately increasing revenue. Reputation management systems do not focus solely on positive reviews. These types of systems can also handle negative reviews as well. This is primarily done by notifying the user of any negative feedback before the situation explodes. This provides a buffer, giving the company time to assess the dilemma and handle it in a timely manner. By promoting positive reviews and handling negative feedback, a reputation management system can greatly improve a business credibility. Disadvantages. Just like with most aspects of life, there are disadvantages to reputation management systems as well. One such disadvantage is the cost of this system. Buying software off the shelf may provide a cheaper alternative, but not exactly the right quality or features a company may need. For the most effective systems, a custom software would have to be used in place. The downside to purchasing custom software, however, can potentially be draining on the monetary assets. Another disadvantage to using this system is the possible conflict with other programs that may be running alongside it. There is a chance that a compatibility issue with the reputation management system and pre-existing programs would occur. Should the system not come with all the features required, additional purchases of other software may be necessary. All of these purchases could result in even a larger cost as well as a great deal of frustration. A majority of the software that offer surveys and reputation management are standalone programs. This means these programs are run as a separate computer process rather than an add-on of an existing process. Another issue with standalone programs is the inability to install the program simultaneously onto different devices. It must be done one at a time, consuming valuable time. Conclusion. Any business out there can benefit greatly from reputation management. These systems provide with a method of promoting positive reviews and handling negative reviews. Though they may be expensive, the software is well worth the investment. With great credibility and great reputation securing clients and customers becomes all the more easy.